Hello all, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Peace all. Again, sorry I haven't been around for a while. I'm doing my 420 at home today. Been practicing a little bit of guitar playing. Sitting here with no driver's license, stuck out of town. Waiting on a friend to stop by so I can get some stuff done. So here I am having my 420 at home. Again, peace all. Happy 420. Guitar practice day. Well, at least 20 minutes a day. Happy 420. Won't play much. A little bit. Anyhow, peace all. It's my practice time. Can't read music. This is all just playing around. Peace all.